Yummy, huh? Let me take you somewhere yummier. All set.
We're heading back to Ipoh. Missy, are you ready to go back to Ipoh? Back to Daddy's hometown. We have just arrived in Ipoh and we'll be staying at Weil Hotel for the next couple of days. Finally, my turn to eat.
The car wash is done. Yippee!
Today is Chinese New Year's Eve and we are heading back to my parents' place. We didn't manage to come back last year, but we did a special video announcement. For this year's Chinese New Year, it is Reighley's first interstate travel. Yo bro,
Yeah?
what are you doing?
Cleaning the house ah.
What am I supposed to do?
Of course clean the house ah.
Oh. Now why the house so messy ah? Who uses home phone nowadays?
Darlington or not?
Got that? Keng is now cooking butter oat salmon. For those who have been watching our videos, you know that Keng started cooking during the first MCO in 2020. Ever since that, he's been cooking. I'm proud of you, bro.
Hello.
A quick tour of our room in Weil Hotel. We have the king-size bed, day bed with the baby included. Best part of this room is a view of Ipoh City. A working area, TV, fridge as well. We can use and put our stuff. Complimentary fruits, tea and coffee. Closet, a big mirror. Loads of diapers, essentials for babies nowadays. Bathroom, shower, rain shower, and a bathtub. Very important these days so we can let Reighley practice swimming. Breakfast in Weil Hotel is not your ordinary all-you-can-eat buffet. It is a simple menu of 3 different options. The nasi lemak, a local cuisine, the continental breakfast, which consists of pastries, or the big breakfast, which is usually our favorite.
For you, little girl. Hold it. Well done.